Welcome back to my channel, the Wow Factor dash Ed and Ann. And since my first video on my new kayak, I've done quite a bit of customization. As you can see, I've put new, much more comfortable seats on here. I use the back that came with the boat and the support, and I just put this in front, and what I do when I'm out, I put a bungee cord behind to hold it in place, and I put some Velcro. So works very well, makes the boat extremely comfortable and gives a lot of support to your back, which I need. And my big thing is I motorized it. I have a Newport 55-pound thrust, and I took it out the other day to experiment, and it works beautifully. I'd be out today, except that they're predicting thunderstorms. The one thing that it needed a little more of a rudder. So what I did, I took a cutting board, and just to get it done, 98-cent cutting board and 2 pipe clamps from Home Depot. I think they were 60 cents each, and I made myself a rudder and attached it. I think that's going to give me a lot more turning ability, but so far I'm loving it. What I want to show you now is the way I hooked it up. I got 2 pipe hangers online. I think they were $4 each, and I attached them, and I had a tubular aluminum rod that I had from another job. It seems to work very well. The one problem that I had was that I had too much flexing, so I put an additional support underneath to hold it, and as you can see, I used some heavy wire to give it extra support. I bought myself a little battery box, 12 bucks. I didn't go for any of the heavy duty stuff, didn't need it, and I fit it in, and I attach it with a strap right here. I just throw this over, attach it when I'm going, and that holds it in place. So that's the story. And if you would like me to go into more detail on the building, I will do so. If you'll leave a comment, I'll show you how I did it, and you may want to do it. But so far, very happy, and I'm going to leave some reviews on it. But that's what I've been doing. So okay, that's it. There'd be more to come, so just stay tuned and give me that like and subscribe, and we'll keep this up. Okay, I'll see you on down the road.